Hey guys, it's Margaret with Sassy Southern Shopper Mom. Thank you for coming back to my channel. Today we are going to be cleaning the master bathroom in my home. So this is mine and my husband's bathroom. And I'm going to be trying out a new product in the shower to see if it really helps with the glass and getting it clean. But let's go ahead and get started. Also, I want everyone to leave a comment down below what their favorite cleaner is, just so I can see what everybody else is using, and tell me why you like it so much. Alright guys, let's get started.
Okay, these counters have so much stuff on it. We even have stuff from Easter, like an Easter basket sitting on the counter. So I am going to definitely get all of this cleaned up and taken care of today. My shower has so much soap scum on this glass. I have had a hard time keeping it clean. A new product that I'm going to try hopefully is going to help get it clean, but look at how dirty it is. I already cleaned my toilet with a Clorox toilet wand. As you can see, it's here and nice and all bubbly and clean now. Using some Windex to clean up the glass mirrors in my bathroom, and then I'm going to be using some Method all-purpose cleaner to clean the counters. Foaming Super Oxygen bathroom cleaner. I'm going to be using it in my sinks and in my shower, and I got it from the Dollar Tree. And I have it sitting up in my bathroom. a makeup removing package. I think it was like the expiration date or something on the outside of it, but it's like bled into my counter and I cannot get it off. I use in my sink. This is the one that I'm going to be using in my shower, and hopefully it's going to really help clean the soap scum off the glass doors. I did purchase it at the Dollar Tree, and I saw another YouTuber using it, and she really likes it, so I wanted to give it a try. cleaning wipes that I'm using to wipe down my toilet with. Using my O-Cedar spin mop with some hot water and pine sol. I added some pine sol with some hot water and poured it down the drain in my shower to help freshen it up a little more. I put a Clorox automatic toilet bowl cleaner in my toilet tank. Okay guys, I am all done cleaning the bathroom. Don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the bell for you do not miss any videos that I post. Also give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to comment down below and tell me what your favorite cleaner is that you use at home. And then that dollar store or Dollar Tree cleaner that I bought really did clean the glass in my shower really well, so I'll probably buy that again since it was only $1 and it did a great job. So guys, I really do hope that you find this video encouraging and inspiring, and continue to watch, guys. Thanks for watching.